Let's try it. You ready? Yep. Alright, let's do it. Here we are again, guys, in the Artisan workshop. We've got a ute in here for some paint protection film. Gloss black ute, nothing really special about the application. We've done it before, you've seen the film perform. This time it's the vehicle that's a little bit different. So let me just take a minute here and you can soak this in. This is the vehicle that we're going to be protecting. So obviously we do, again, trucks, vehicles, luxury, and this is its own category on its own. So gloss black all the way through, it's just been detailed. It's looking like it's brand new. We're going to put paint protection film over the top of it. This is going to be a first for Avery Dennison, as well as ourselves working on a vehicle like this. But Avery Dennison, they've got a new product to their line. It's called Avery Dennison SPX1, so I think it's a XP11. It's a paint protection film. What happens with this film, it's got a top coating where if you give it a light scuff or a scratch or just swirl marks when washing, it actually disappears right away, just depending on the temperature of the day. We've got other films out there that we've been using as well. Great films, they got their own top coating as well, but they just require a little bit more heat. This film, I think on ambient temperature of about 24 degrees, the scratches just disappear instantly. So it's kind of very magical as to what happens with this film. Geez, I mean, the challenge in this one is making sure there's no dust or bits and pieces underneath the film. We want it looking as it does now, just with that added protection. So the guy's going to be going over it, taking some parts off, not too much, but the aim here is just to try and create a seamless finish, make it look like it's not got anything on there. If anything, it's going to enhance the gloss black again, and it will protect the vehicle on the road. So look out for it. I mean, there's only 3 in Australia. It's a pretty cool vehicle to work on. Hopefully you guys see it out there. Here we are, guys, at the end of a long week. So we're finally here. We've tackled this behemoth. Geez, one of the guys has been working on this for about 4 or 5 days now, non-stop. It's about 2 or 3 vehicles rolled into one. There's not many templates out for this beast, so we had to make our own. We just wanted to make sure that we did it right, that all the edges are covered, and it looks sharp. So as you can see, it's a really high gloss finish. It's black, so when they do wash the vehicle, all the swirl marks, they're going to disappear with this special top coating. It's going to be warranted for about 5 years. It's new Avery Dennison SPX1 product. It's first in Australia, I think first worldwide to cover this kind of vehicle anyway. So look out for it on the streets, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You got it? Good. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share our posts on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. Okay, McConnell.
Bye bye.